So hello everyone. So after the completion of sets, there is a set theory. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is relations and functions. Few concepts of sets are required in this chapter also. Okay, that's why I have completed first set theory. Now I am going to start relations and function. Now before going to start this chapter, that is the meaning of relations and functions, I want to discuss a few important points which will be useful in this chapter, which is required in this chapter. Okay, the first thing is ordered pair. Okay, ये चैप्टर शुरू करने से पहले कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स के बारे में मैं डिस्कस करना चाहता हूं, जैसे कि जिसमें द फर्स्ट पॉइंट होता है कि ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. व्हाट इज ऑर्डर्ड पेयर? लिसन, द two numbers, suppose small letter a and b are the two numbers. Okay, the two numbers a and b listed in a specific order. The two numbers a and b listed in a specific order and enclosed them within a bracket to form an ordered pair. So once again I am repeating the meaning of ordered pair. Suppose there are two numbers a and b. So these two numbers are listed in a specific order and enclose them within a bracket to form an ordered pair. So it is generally denoted by a comma b. ये ब्रैकेट के अंदर जैसे हम लोग कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में जैसे कोऑर्डिनेट x कोऑर्डिनेट y कोऑर्डिनेट रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, so it is also like same only. Ordered pair means x coordinate y coordinate only. All right, so in ordered pair listen, in ordered pair a comma b, the first element a is called as the first member or the first component of the ordered pair. Okay, so in the ordered pair the first element a is called the first member or the first component of the ordered pair, whereas b is called the second member or the second component of the ordered pair. Okay, b is called the second member or the second component of the ordered pair. Now if we interchange the two components, that means अगर a b के जगह में मैं b a लिखूंगा तो if we interchange the components, then the ordered pair is also changed. ठीक है, if we interchange the components, if we replace the position of a and b, interchange the position of a and b, then the ordered pair is also changed. Why? Because let us take one example. If you draw a Cartesian plane, this is a Cartesian plane, or you can say xy plane. Yes, suppose I have taken one ordered pair 1, 2. Yes, तो 1, 2 जो लिखा उसका पोजीशन कहाँ पे हो सकता है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल से 1, 2 is here only. Okay, this is 1, 2. Now if I interchange the components, interchange the position of these two components 2, 1, तो फिर अभी ये चेंज हो जाएगा. It will be not in the same position. Yes, 2, 1 will not be in the same position. All right, so that is why we can say that a comma b is not equal to b comma a, because after interchanging the position of the component, the ordered pair is also changed. क्योंकि कार्टेशियन प्लेन में अगर हम लोग ये पॉइंट को प्लॉट करेंगे तो उसका पोजीशन इंटरचेंज करने से वो सेम पोजीशन में नहीं रहेगा, वो कोई दूसरा जगह में जाके फिक्स्ड होगा. That is why in general we can say that a comma b is not equal to b comma a. All right, so this is all about the ordered pair, the meaning of ordered pair. Okay, next will come equality of two ordered pairs. The next point, equality of two ordered pairs. Equality of two ordered pairs. Suppose A comma B is equal to C comma D. Equality of two ordered pairs means अगर दो ordered pair equal हुआ तो then see what will happen. If A comma B is equal to C comma D, which implies we can write A is equal to C and B is equal to D. That means we can equate. If two ordered pairs are equal, then we can equate the components. A equal to C and B is equal to D. Okay, so this is called equality of two ordered pairs. Equality of two ordered pairs. Let us take one example. तो फिर और अच्छी तरह से क्लियर हो जाएगा. If twice A plus 1, if twice A plus B, comma 11 is equal to 1 comma A minus 3B. If twice A plus B comma 11 equal to 1 comma A minus 3B, then find the values of A and B. Then find the values of small letter A and B. So from this question clearly we can say that the two ordered pairs are equal. बीच में equal sign है. So the two ordered pairs are equal means we can equate the components. That is, we can write twice A plus B is equal to 1. This is the equation number 1. And A minus 3B is equal to 11. This is the equation number 2. Alright? We can equate. So now you know how to solve the linear equations in two variables. So now solve these two equation. 1 into 1, equation 1 के साथ अगर मैं 1 मल्टीप्लाई करूँ तो ये हो जाएगा twice A plus B equal to 1. Equation 2 के साथ अगर मैं 2 मल्टीप्लाई करूँ तो it will be then twice A minus 6B which is equal to 22. Alright? So now if I subtract these two equations, twice A will be cancelled. It will be 7B is equal to minus 21. That means B is equal to minus 3. Okay? B का value मिल गया minus 3. Now put the value of B in the first equation or in the second equation. So if I put the value of B in the first equation, then see what will happen. Twice A is equal to 1 plus 3. That is A is equal to 2. Twice A equal to 4 means A is equal to 2. So these are the values of A and B. Over. Okay. So like this we can equate. We can equate the components. So this is called equality of ordered pairs. Okay. यहाँ से short question आ सकता है. ऐसा मॉडल का क्वेश्चन अगर आएगा तो this will be short question only. All right. So for what values of A and B the two pairs are equal? A equal to 2 and B equal to minus 3. Okay. So this is one example of equality of ordered pairs. Equality of two ordered pairs. Next will come Cartesian product. One of the important part of this relations and function. Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Cartesian product. It is not like normal multiplication. Okay. Cartesian product क्या होता है? Listen. Suppose A and B, capital letter A and B are two non-empty sets. Suppose A and B are two non-empty sets. Look at here. If you don't know the meaning of empty or non-empty set, then it will be difficult to understand this product. So इसीलिए sets का कुछ concepts यहाँ पे use होगा. Like not only set that is empty non-empty set, यहाँ पे subset का concept भी use होता है relations and function में. ठीक है, सबसेट का कॉन्सेप्ट भी यूज होता है. इवन दैट इज यू कैन से द सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म, रोस्टर फॉर्म, इसका भी कॉन्सेप्ट यूज होगा. हाउ टू डिस्क्राइब सेट्स. यस, तो ऐसा कुछ कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स, सेट थ्योरी का कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स यहाँ पे ये चैप्टर में यूज होगा. राइट. ओके, सो व्हाट इज कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट? सपोज ए एंड बी आर टू नॉन एम्प्टी सेट्स. So we all know that sets are generally denoted by capital letter A, B, C, D. So let A and B be two non-empty sets. Then the Cartesian product of A and B, listen, the Cartesian product of A and B, which is denoted by A cross B, product है तो cross लेना है, which is denoted by A cross B, is defined as the set of all the possible ordered pairs of A comma B. Is defined as the set of all the possible ordered pairs of A comma B. That is, A cross B is equal to A comma B such that A is the element of capital letter A and B is the element of capital letter B. This is the mathematical form of the Cartesian product. Okay, so if A and B are two non-empty sets, then the Cartesian product of A and B, which is denoted by A cross B, can be defined as the set of all the possible ordered pairs of A comma B such that the first component of the ordered pair must be belongs to the first set, whereas the second component of the ordered pair must be belongs to the second set. Okay, इसका मतलब जो small letter A and B है, these are nothing but the elements of capital letter A and capital letter B. Okay, so this is the mathematical form of A cross B. All right, तो इसका मतलब जब कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए देगा, always you have to represent the solution in terms of their ordered pair. You have to write all the possible ordered pairs within the curly bracket. मतलब सेट फॉर्म में होता है. It is also a set only. Okay, Cartesian product is nothing but a set which is denoted by A cross B. All right. Okay, so there are few important points under Cartesian product. Let us take the first point. First point of Cartesian product. Listen. If A is equal to phi, phi means empty. We know a null set or empty set is denoted by phi. So if A is equal to phi or B is equal to phi, then the Cartesian product of A cross B is always phi. Okay? दोनों सेट में से अगर कोई एक सेट एम्प्टी हुआ तो then the Cartesian product is also an empty set. This is case number 1. Okay, case number 2, listen. If either of the set A and B is infinite, then their Cartesian product is also infinite. Okay, this is case number 2. Case number 2 under Cartesian product. Next point is if n of A is equal to suppose small letter P, n of B is equal to suppose small letter Q, then n of A cross B, this is equal to P into Q. Even n of B cross A, it is also equal to P into Q only. Okay, this is the third case. If n of A equal to P, that means if the number of elements in set A is equal to P and the number of elements in set B is equal to Q, then the number of elements in A cross B, which is equal to P into Q. No, just you need to multiply these two numbers, that's it. Similarly, in the case of B cross A also. In the case of B cross A, you need to multiply the two numbers P and Q, that's it. Okay, so these are the three important case. कभी कभी short question पूछा जा सकता है, true false में भी आ सकता है ऐसा questions, ठीक है. तो ये सब तीन conditions याद रखना पड़ेगा. And one more important point of Cartesian product is, since we all know that A comma B is not equal to B comma A, means after interchanging the components, the position of the components, the ordered pair is changed, right? That is why we can say that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. ये बात भी याद रखना है. अगर A comma B is not equal to B comma A, तो A cross B is also not equal to B cross A ही होगा. ठीक है? So ये Cartesian product में कभी भी equal नहीं होगा. I will give one example. I will discuss a few examples also. Okay. So this is all about Cartesian product, equality of ordered pairs and ordered pairs. Now I am going to discuss a few examples related to this Cartesian product and then ordered pair. Okay. So let us discuss few questions. The first question is, if A equal to 1, 3, 5, B equal to 2, 3, let us take 2, 4, B is equal to 2 comma 4, then find A cross B and B cross A. Means you are asked to find the Cartesian product of A and B. Okay, so let us take the first question. To find A cross B, first of all you write down the elements of set A. 1 comma 3 comma 5 into 2 comma 4. So if I multiply, let's see how to multiply. Okay, first give the curly bracket, start from 1. नॉर्मल एक्सपांशन जैसे करते हैं हम लोग मल्टीप्लीकेशन में वैसा ही करना है, ठीक है. 1 into 2, right? 1 comma 2. Next 1 into 4, 1 comma 4. After that you have to start from 3. 3 into 2, that is 3 comma 2. Next 3 comma 4. Next 5 comma 2 and next 5 comma 4. ये हो गया A cross B का elements. Okay, so in A cross B then how many elements are there? A cross B में elements कितना है वो चेक करने के लिए you have to check the number of ordered pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if you want to verify whether the answer is correct or not, you can verify also. So n of A is equal to how many elements are there in set A? 3 elements. So n of A is equal to here 3. n of B is equal to here 2. Therefore n of A cross B कितना elements होना चाहिए? 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. 6 elements means there must be 6 ordered pairs, because the definition of Cartesian product is what? It is the set of all the possible ordered pairs. Okay, so यहाँ पे ordered pair को elements बोला जाता है, ठीक है. In the same way we can find out B cross A also. So for B cross A, listen, for B cross A first you have to write the elements of set B and then you have to write the element of set A. Now multiply 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. So these are the possible ordered pairs of B cross A. Okay, in B cross A also number of elements must be 6. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of elements are okay, 6 है. But whether these ordered pairs are same, मतलब 1 comma 2 equal to 2 comma 1 होगा क्या? No. So since the ordered pairs are not same, so clearly we can say that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. याद रखना है, in general the Cartesian products are not equal. Okay, A cross B is never equal to B cross A if the elements are different elements. But if the elements are same, then we can say that yes, A cross B equal to B cross A हो सकते हैं. But in general A cross B is not equal to B cross A. That is why 1 comma 2 is not equal to 2 comma 1. Ordered pair भी change हो, अगर पोजीशन इंटरचेंज होगा तो कार्टेशियन प्लेन में भी एक सेम प्लेस में नहीं होगा. दोनों का पोजीशन 1 comma 2 और 2 comma 1 का पोजीशन तो सेम नहीं होगा. Alright, so this is the first example. Let us take the second example. It is the reverse question. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 जो दिया गया है इसमें ये रिवर्स क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स दिया गया था और कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए दिया. यहाँ पे कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट दिया गया है. यू आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड set A and set B, which means you are asked to find the number of elements in set A and the number of elements in set B. Okay, so look at here. A cross B is equal to 3 comma 2, 3 comma 4, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 4. Now as per the definition of Cartesian product, the first component of the ordered pair belongs to the first set. The first component of the ordered pair belongs to the first set. So in this ordered pair, the first component is 3. So 3 belongs to the first set. So A equal to 1 element is 3. ये confirm हो गया. Second pair में भी 3 है. So if there is a repetition of element, then no need to write again. Just once you have to write. Okay. So let us check the third pair. 5 is there. So 3 comma 5 are the elements of set A. Whereas the second component of the ordered pair are the elements of set B. So from this ordered pair clearly we can say that 2 and 4 are the second components of the ordered pair. So B का elements 2 और 4 होगा. So you are asked to find A and B. So these are A and B. Okay. So it's very simple only. These basics are very simple. Okay, so this is all about the two examples. Next will come ordered triplet. Ordered triplet. Ordered पेयर के बाद नेक्स्ट आएगा ordered triplet. Okay, ordered triplet. अगर ऑर्डर्ड पेयर समझ में आया तो ऑर्डर्ड ट्रिपलेट भी समझ में आ जाएगा. ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में हम लोग 2 एलिमेंट्स लेते थे, लेकिन ऑर्डर्ड ट्रिपलेट में 3 एलिमेंट्स कंसिडर करना है. ठीक है. सो suppose there are 3 elements A, B and C. Small letter A, B, C. Elements are denoted by small letter, whereas a set is denoted by capital letter, right? So the 3 elements A, B and C listed in a specific order. The 3 elements A, B and C listed in a specific order and enclosed them within a bracket to form a ordered triplet. Enclosed them within a bracket to form an ordered triplet. So ordered triplet is denoted by this one. ब्रैकेट के अंदर ए बी सी को डाल दो. ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में क्या होता है, ब्रैकेट के अंदर सिर्फ ए और बी को लिखना है. ऑर्डर्ड ट्रिपलेट मींस देयर आर 3 एलिमेंट्स, तो और एक एलिमेंट एक्स्ट्रा आएगा, ज्यादा कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट ऑर्डर्ड ट्रिपलेट. देयरफॉर लिसन, देयर इज वन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. जैसे ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में A, B is not equal to B, A होता है, ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट में भी सेम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1, 2, 3 is not equal to 2, 1, 3 which is not equal to 3, 1, 2. ओके, ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट में भी सेम नहीं होता है, क्योंकि पोजीशन अगर इंटरचेंज हो गया तो ऑब्वियसली वो प्लेन में उसका पोजीशन भी अलग अलग जगह में होगा. ठीक है, इट इज जस्ट लाइक ऑर्डर्ड पेयर ओनली. Okay, let us take one example. Say A is equal to 1, 2. Say A is equal to 1, 2. Find out A cross A cross A. 3 times you have to multiply A. Order triplet का example दे रहा हूं, इसीलिए 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूं. इसके पहले जो कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट का एग्जाम्पल दिया था उसमें दो ही बार मल्टीप्लाई किया. ओके, so since it is an example of order triplet, so that's why we need to multiply 3 times. So find out A cross A cross A. Let us see how to find A cross A cross A. So in order to find A cross A cross A, first of all you have to find A cross A. पहले A cross A का वैल्यू निकालो. That is 1, 2 into 1, 2. That is equal to normal Cartesian product जैसा होता है वैसे 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. ओके, ये हो गया A क्रॉस A का वैल्यू. अभी A क्रॉस A का जो रिजल्ट मिला वही रिजल्ट को थर्ड A के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, सो देयरफॉर A क्रॉस A दिस इज इक्वल टू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू राइट डाउन द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ A क्रॉस A व्हिच इज 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2, 2 into, then you write the element of this single A, that is 1, 2. All right, so now again if you multiply it, normal multiplication only, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1, because order triplet is represented by A, B, C. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Next 1, 2, 1. Next 1, 2, 2. Next 2, 1, 1. Next 2, 1, 2. लास्ट पेयर के साथ अभी मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो 2, 2, 1 and 2, 2, 2. So these are the possible ordered triplet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Of course, there must be 8 ordered triplet. Why? Because how many elements are there in set A? Number of elements are here 2. So if n of A is equal to 2, then A into A into A, this is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8. So there must be 8 ordered triplet, and these are the 8 ordered triplet. Okay, normal expansion, normal multiplication जैसे किया जाता है वैसा ही है, but you have to represent in the form of all the possible pairs. You have to represent in the form of A, B, C. look at here, 1 comma 1 into 1, that is 1 comma 1 comma 1. Again 1 comma 1 into 2, that is 1 comma 1 comma 2. Like this you have to proceed. Okay, so these are the basic things you have to remember, because these things will be required in your this chapter, relations and function. Till now I have not started the main part of relations and function. उसके लिए पहले ये बेसिक्स का मीनिंग पता होना चाहिए था कि ऑर्डर्ड पेयर क्या होता है, इक्वलिटी ऑफ टू ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स क्या है, देन योर कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट, देन ऑर्डर्ड ट्रिपलेट. सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स आई हैव डिस्कस्ड. और इसके साथ कुछ सेट्स का कॉन्सेप्ट चाहिए, लाइक सबसेट क्या होता है, सबसेट का कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पे यूज होगा. देन हाउ टू डिस्क्राइब सेट्स, टेबुलर मेथड, रोस्टर मेथड, सेट बिल्डर मेथड, ये सब भी कॉन्सेप्ट जरूरत है इसका. ठीक है, तो ये सब को मिला के हम लोग से रिलेशंस एंड फंक्शंस डिस्कस करेंगे. सो इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल कंटिन्यू दिस पार्ट. I will discuss the relation part in the next class. Okay, so thank you for today.